Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send your Polkadot tokens from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or switch exchanges for better features, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Polkadot is a popular blockchain for interoperability, and transferring it between exchanges like Binance and Bitrue is a common task, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitrue and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdrawal. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Polkadot in the list of assets. Make sure you're selecting the correct network. It's usually the Polkadot network itself. Now, you'll need to enter your Bitrue wallet address. Double-check this address on your Bitrue account to ensure it's accurate. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. After that, input the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer. Binance will show you the estimated fees and processing time, so keep an eye on those. Network fees can vary based on congestion. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and complete the withdrawal process. You'll likely need to verify this via email or 2FA. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Bitrue account, depending on network conditions in 2025. Log into Bitrue and check your deposit history to confirm the arrival. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified, keep your private keys secure, and never share your recovery phrases. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.